In this video, I am going to tell you how to edit an image with elements using Canva. So this is the image. You can see this is me only, and you can see these are the two circles which I do not want, or I want to replace them, or I want to add something in this images. So I want to basically add two photos here, and this is an image. If I upload it directly to Canva, it will not show me an option to do it, but I will use elements. So how will I do it? Let me go to my Canva and upload this photograph. So now on my Canva, I simply need to upload this image. First of all, the image which I have on the system, simply look for the image. So this is the image. Just select this image, click on edit image, click on create design. So here, first of all, you need to click on elements. So this is the same circle shape. So I will look for any circle frame. So this is the circle frame. So add two circle frames here because I have two images. I need to upload any images here. First image I collected of Steam. Make sure that select the image in which it is some background. For example, let I select this image. So I need to now scroll down here. First of all, make it like this. Cover the upper circle, lower circle. Can drag and drop the size. Just do some adjustment here. Now it is looking perfect and those images are not showing. And you have also covered it. So I hope now you will be able to use elements, or you can use the similar color. So friends, now you will be able to use it. And in case you face any problem, you can mention in comment section. I make sure to give a reply. And if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.